Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. So today's going to be a fun little swap. Miss Lissa Shops, that's Melissa over at Lissa Shops. We got a hold of each other and we swapped some Dollar Tree, Dollar General items from all across, from the whole way across the USA. She's way out in California, I'm way over here in Pennsylvania. So we thought it would be fun to swap from our local DTs. And I sent her a couple items from Dollar General because I don't think they have Dollar General out there. I'm thinking she said maybe. But I know she wanted a couple things from my Dollar General. So I went ahead and sent her a couple things plus some things from my local Dollar Tree. So we thought it'd be fun to see what each other has all the way across the United States. So we swapped all those miles. So this is the box that she sent me. I took all of our addresses and stuff off so that, you know, we wouldn't dox. So I didn't dox her. So she sent me this cute little card. And I will tell you, this box smells so good. Look at all these cute little stickers. I love that. So stinking cute. Look at this cute little sticker that's like it's a shaker card. Oh my gosh, I love that. Is that from Dollar Tree? Because if it is, that's super cute. Okay, so oh my gosh, look at that pretty picture of her. So there's Miss Lissa. She is so beautiful and so pretty. She does a lot of lives, like in-store Dollar Tree shopping and stuff. She's really cute. Look at that picture. That's amazing. So, okay, she left me a little note here, so let me read this and then I'll be right back. So she sent me the sweetest little note, and Melissa, I will text you after this. She gave me her number, which I love that. So I hope that we can get together someday too, and I'm really excited to see what's in this box. And I know I probably put a little bit extra in too. We said 15 or 20 items, but you know how that goes. But so yeah, really appreciate her. Please check her channel out, you guys. It's Lissa Shops, just like on her card here on YouTube. Cute gal. Really, she does a lot of really fun stuff. So wow, there's a lot in here. Oh my gosh, I think we might have, oh, there's like, I see something interesting. Okay, so here are some of these stickers right away. Now, I will tell you that our Dollar Tree, we have a little like, I have a very small Dollar Tree, okay? It's not California Dollar Tree, it's Western Pennsylvania Dollar Tree, okay? So I'm guessing these cute, adorable stickers came out of here, and they are so cute. But I will say my Dollar Tree does not have very good stickers, so these are adorable. But how cute are they? They're like little plants. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. I love them. And I love this one right here because it's like a little bike. Wait, let me pull this off here. It's like a little bicycle. Look how stinking cute that is. That's adorable. I love stickers, by the way. Yes. Okay, so I did not see these at my Dollar Tree either. Tootsie Fruit Roll Air Freshener. That's what I smell. In cherry, and it literally smells just like it. I can't wait to put this in my car. And it's pink. And we love pink. We love to see it. So these are really cool. I feel like I grabbed her some air fresheners too, but I don't think they were Tootsie Roll. But how cool are these? So these are from Dollar Tree, you guys. Those are cool. I wonder if they come in different scents too, because they show on the package like the blue and the yellow. And yeah, I'll have to see if I can find more of those. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little hair clip. I love it. And it's pink. Oh my gosh. I want to cut it out of here. Let me see this. This is adorable. I'm afraid I'm going to break it. Let me go to the back here. Now, if I remember correctly, this is all from Dollar Tree, I think. I know I put a couple of things in hers that were from Dollar General, but like I said, I don't think you guys have Dollar General out there, do you? But anyways, how cute is this? Look at this clip. It's like a rose, but it's got like some iridescent sheen to it. This is adorable. I love this. Oh my gosh, that is so stinking cute. I love that. Oh, here's a little lollipop for Valentine's Day. I love that. I swear I got her pencils too. Did I? See, guys, I don't even remember. Some Valentine's Day pencils. Those are cute. Oh, this one has a coffee mug on it. It says, Happy Valentine's Day. It's got like a little coffee mug. You guys probably can't even see them, but that's what they look like. How stinking cute are those? Those are stinking adorable. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. Okay, then we got some personal care sleep spray. Strawberry scented. Stop it. What do you do with this? Helps to mist the stress away. Creates a soothing, calming, and relaxing atmosphere to your bedroom. Oh, that is really cool. Let's smell it. Yeah, definitely. I think that's what I smell in the box. Definitely strawberry-ish. In fact, I think the bottom of this box was wet, and I'll bet some of this came out because it's probably only about this full. I'll bet it came out a little bit. That's fine. I mean, you know, it smells wonderful, so who cares, right? I definitely don't have that at my Dollar Tree either. Okay, Pro Luxe Matte Setting Powder. These, I think I've seen at my Dollar Tree. Can you guys tell me, do they have these in different colors? I think that they do. But I love setting powders. I really love the pink setting powders too. And I have heard all kinds of good things about this Pro Luxe setting powder. So yeah, it says translucent, which is really nice. And you can tell just by looking at it that it's really, really, oh yeah, it's milled very finely. And it kind of went on the little, they give you like this little poof. But I can tell just by feeling, like just by touching it, oh yeah, it feels like silk. This is actually really nice. Like, it just feels really silky. I love that. Yes, we will definitely be trying that. Look at it poofing out. Did you see that smoke? You guys, I got it everywhere. That's funny. But they give you this little poof. But I like to use my like triangular one. And you guys, this is a different wig I'm wearing. It's called Summer Becky by Chelsea Smith Cosmetics in the apricot color. I'm thinking I might wear this to my interview tomorrow. We'll see. I think I'm going to do a get ready with me. So stay tuned for that for tomorrow. It'll probably post sometime in the afternoon. Okay, this she got for Brian, I know, because we talked about this. It's like the Squatch brand deodorant. It's like a dupe for that. And this one is in the oak barrel scent. Aluminum free deodorant, you guys. You can't beat that. Now, I think I sent her a deodorant too. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. That smells so good. Very manly. But you know what? I would probably use it too, to be honest. But I like that it's that gel. It's not the white, but it's like the gel. So that's nice. I like when they're like that gel. But yeah, it smells so good. Very manly, very oak barrel-y. Mmm. Yum, yum. I love the smell of that. I will make sure Brian gets that. Oh, here's another one. Oh, here's another one. See, I haven't seen these at my Dollar Tree. Mountain Mist, men's aluminum free. So again, just like the Squatch. Is that what they're called? Squatch? I'm pretty sure. Oh, this one's really nice. This is a very fresh. I think I could wear this one for sure even. These have a lot of scent to them. I'm actually kind of shocked. You know, I'm actually kind of shocked by how much scent is in these. Wow, those are really nice. I might try that one tomorrow. I like the way it smells. It's just very that fresh, clean scent. Love it. Holy mackerel, there's a whole bag in here. Oh wait, what's this? To Jen from, oh, I know what this went on the little, this thing. That is so adorable. That's cute. I love that. So then she gave me this whole bag of stuff here. Oh my gosh, look at that bag. Is this from DT? It must be, or she probably wouldn't have sent it, but there's a whole bag full of stuff here. Oh my gosh. Oh, she sent me some hand sanitizers. I think I sent her a couple of these too. These are great. I'm pretty sure I sent her this one. That is so funny. Dollar General here sells the hand sanitizers, and they also fit inside of these. So I think I sent her maybe one or two of these as well. But I love these cases. They're sparkly. There's like a purple sparkly one, and this one is like a cream colored sparkly one, or like an opalescent color. So those are cool. And then I see two hand sanitizers right here. Oh my gosh. They're sparkly on the top. I have never seen these. This one is champagne. Yeah, champagne scented. Look at the lid. Oh, I love that. And this one is sugar plum. Oh, wow. Yeah, it definitely smells plummy. Let's see what this one smells like. Definitely a champagne scent. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh, it matches. See, she's matchy-matchy. Look. This matches this, and this matches this one. Good call on those. Matchy-matchy. We love it. We love it. Okay, then she sent a pair of socks. Beavis and Butthead socks. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. I love these. I think I'm going to give these to Brian. I love those. Those are cool. Jeez, there's a lot of stuff in here, Alyssa. Oh my gosh. Ooh, donut comforting eye pads. Nourish and indulge with real vanilla extract. Check those out. They're really squishy. Made in Korea. 6 pairs? Wow, there's 6 pairs in here. That's amazing. Ooh, I love these. I buy these a lot at Dollar Tree, the 3-pack of the nail files. Look how pretty they are. I love those. So cool. Yes, I would definitely use those. In fact, I'm going to do my nails tonight for my interview tomorrow. Ooh, strawberry short... See, they have so much stuff I've never seen. Strawberry shortcake lotion. Hand cream. One is blueberry jam and one is orange cupcake. Oh my gosh. I have never seen these. Oh, this is so cool. Distributed by ST Products. And then there's this one. Oh my gosh, I love that. See, my Dollar Tree doesn't have anything like this at all. And I've never seen these with the glittery top ever. So, yeah, I just have like a little... My Dollar Tree's so little and goofy. Okay, then there is this LA Colors blendable cream and powder. Nice. Sculpting duo. So maybe like there's like a bronzer and a highlighter. One's a cream and one is a powder. That's cool. Yeah, highlight. What's this highlighter? Maybe they're both highlighters. Nice. I will definitely use that. Wow, look at this. Freeman Calming Lotus Lavender Oil Sheet Masks. Nice. There's a 4-pack. Were these $1.25? If these were $1.25, that's amazing. Those are cool. Look at that. 4-pack. I'm gonna have all kind of fun. Sorry, I'm watching the cats over there to make sure they're being behaved. I think I'm gonna do one of these tonight so I can be nice and relaxed for my interview tomorrow. Love it. Love to see it. Wow, there's a lot in here, Lissa. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. I'm still digging, you guys. I saw these at my store this week. I don't know if I got her one though. But this is the liquid blush in Pink Punch by B Color. I love liquid blushes, so I'm definitely going to be trying that out for sure. I love liquid blush and liquid bronzer. So yeah, definitely will be trying that out for sure. There's still more, still more, guys. Okay, I've never seen these at my store either. These are the Ardell brand. Nail Addict. Oh, these are so pretty. Premium nails. These are so nice. See, I'm missing out. I need to go to California. Some of them are like a holographic, and then some are glittery with, oh, those are really pretty. I wish my Dollar Tree had stuff like this. Those are amazing. Love those. That's a bargain there. Beauty Impressions Lip Plumping Juicy Glaze. Ooh, lip plumping formula. Look at that. I've never seen that either before. Let's try this. Hydrate, Nourish, Shine, and Smile. Let's try it, shall we? I'll just put it over my lipstick I have on. And I'll tell you how it feels. I wonder if it's flavored. Does it say? Okay, so this is interesting. This container is hard. I thought it was like soft. You see the container? It looks like it looks like it's like puckered or something, like it's been used, or you know what I mean? Like, but it's not. But that is cool. I just want to see if there's like a flavor or anything. It doesn't really say, so let's see. It smells like it smells almost kind of like grape popsicle or some kind of grape candy. Okay, let's try this. Let's see. Hi, Delilah. Delilah came down here. And I have lipstick on, but that's okay. Let's see if there's like, you know how some lip plumpers, they kind of hurt? They're not really hurt. I mean, I love lip plumper, but... Ooh, pretty. I love that. Okay, guys, last but certainly not least, the Essentially Ageless Blur Face Primer. Okay, this kind of reminds me of... What does this remind me of? It reminds me, the color reminds me of another primer. I think it's probably like a dupe for another primer. Let's see what this looks like on my hand. Let's see. Like, is it a silicone based or... Yeah, I'd say it's definitely silicone based. No real scent to it. All I can smell is that deodorant. But it feels really nice. You know what I mean? It's definitely like a silicone based type of, I would say it is anyways. Does it say it is? I don't know. But it says there's hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in it, so that's nice. That's really nice. Formulated for mature skin, infused with serums, natural oils, and vitamins. Nice. I don't even know if this is at my store. But I like the texture of it. I like it. It's not runny or anything at all. You know what I mean? Like, this is what it looks like on my hand, and then you just kind of rub it in. You know what I mean? And it definitely blurs for sure. I wonder what Delilah's doing over there. She keeps looking upward for some reason. But yeah, there's no real smell to it, which is also nice. But I can tell it's definitely like a blurring situation. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Lissa. I got a whole baggie full of really cool items I get to use. I love these. Nails. All this cool stuff from California, all the way across the United States. That is really nifty. I love to do a swap with other places to see what they have that I don't have, so I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, Lissa, for sending me all of these things. I really appreciate it. Everyone, please go check out her channel. I will make sure it's linked down below. I'll put it on the screen. Go check her out. Give her a like. Give her a subscribe. Give her a hype. And watch a few of her videos. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll try and be back tomorrow with a Get Ready With Me so we can talk about my interview. And then we'll see how it goes. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please have a great day and God bless. Bye.